Have you ever to ask yourself, who am I? Or why do I react the way I do? Most of us move through life on autopilot, unaware of how our thoughts, emotions, and actions are deeply connected. But the truth is, understanding yourself, your strengths, weaknesses, fears, and desires, is the foundation of living a fulfilled life. And this begins with self-awareness. In today's video, we'll uncover the secret to self-awareness and how you can unlock a deeper understanding of yourself to lead a more empowered life. Self-awareness is the ability to see yourself clearly, to understand your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, while also understanding how others perceive you. It's about having an honest view of who you are and being able to observe yourself without judgment. There are two key aspects of self-awareness. 1. Internal self-awareness. This is how well you know your values, passions, goals, and what motivates you. 2. External self-awareness. This is about understanding how your actions and behaviors impact others and how they see you. Most people excel at one, but struggle with the other. To become truly self-aware, you need to balance both. Why does self-awareness matter? Because it is the foundation of personal growth and success. Here are 3 reasons. 1. Better decision-making. When you know yourself, you make choices that align with your values and goals. 2. Improved relationships. Self-awareness helps you understand your impact on others, leading to stronger and healthier connections. 3. Emotional mastery. Knowing your emotional triggers allows you to control your reactions and reduce stress. In short, self-awareness is like having a compass. It guides you through life with clarity and purpose. But let's face it, achieving self-awareness isn't easy. Why? Because we live in a world filled with distractions. Social media, constant notifications, and a fast-paced lifestyle pull us away from introspection. Another major obstacle is ego. We often avoid confronting uncomfortable truths about ourselves because they challenge our self-image. For example, admitting you're impatient or overly critical might be hard, but without acknowledging these traits, you can't grow. So, how can you become more self-aware? Here's a simple yet powerful process. 1. Start journaling. Write down your thoughts, emotions, and daily experiences. Ask yourself, what did I feel today? Why did I react that way? 2. Practice mindfulness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily in silence, observing your thoughts without judgment. Meditation is a great way to start. 3. Seek feedback. Ask trusted friends or colleagues how they perceive you. Their perspective can reveal blind spots. Identify patterns. Look for recurring behaviors. Do you always get defensive in arguments? Do certain situations trigger anger or sadness? 5. Set reflective questions. Ask yourself questions like, what are my strengths? What areas do I need to improve? 6. Focus on growth, not perfection. Self-awareness is a journey, not a destination. Embrace your imperfections and strive to learn from them. Self-awareness transforms your life. When you know who you are, you can align your actions with your goals, build meaningful relationships, and live authentically. Instead of reacting to life, you begin to respond with intention. Remember, the journey to self-awareness might be uncomfortable at times, but the rewards are worth it. Clarity, confidence, and a sense of purpose. So, start today. Take one step toward self-awareness. Whether it's journaling, meditating, or asking for feedback, choose one thing and commit to it. The more you understand yourself, the more power you have to create the life you truly desire.